Good morning, students. In the previous lecture, we have covered question number 1, 2 and 3 of the exercise 3.3. Now I'm going to start the question number 4. Question number 4 is, there are 1000 children in a school. For a PT drill. They have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows are equal to the number of children in a row, in each row. How many children would be left out of this arrangement? Okay, now this is a kind of word problem question. So here you go. You have to write down in this way, total number of students are given, that is equal to 1000. Total number of students are given, that is 1000. Okay, and they said that the number of students in each row is equal to number of rows. So you have to take them in this way. Let number of students in each row is equal to x and let the number of rows is equal to x. Okay, now x multiplied by x, you have to write in this way, x into x is equal to 1000. Okay, now in the same question we have done in the previous exercise. Okay, x into x is equal to total number of children. Okay, now x square is equal to 1000, x is equal to, the square will become a square root, okay, to the opposite side. Now this you have to solve with the long division method. Take out square root with the long division method. Okay, now 1000 and do pairing of this and this. Okay, now 3 3s are 9. Okay, now 1 is left and take these two 0 together. Now 3 plus 3 6 and it will go on which table now? So you have to write here 1 and 1. So 61 ones are 61. So it will be 39. So they have asked that how many children would be left out this arrangement? How many children would be left out of this arrangement? So whatever is your remainder, that is your answer. So number of children left is equal to 39 students. Okay, now the next is, find the greatest 5-digit number which is a perfect square. Okay, find the greatest 5-digit number which is a perfect square. First of all, write down a greatest 5-digit number is equal to 99999. You know this is the greatest 5-digit number. Now take out the square root with the long division method. First of all, do pairing. Okay, pairing from here, and this is single. Now 3 3s are 9. Okay, now nothing is left here. Now take two digits together. Now 3 plus 3 6 and multiply with 1. So it will be 61 ones are 61. Okay, so you have to see that whatever number you're writing here, that same number will be, you have to write here. Okay, and that multiplication should be lesser than this digit. Okay, now next will be 9 minus 1 8 and 9 minus 6 is 3. Take two digits together. Now here is 1. So 61 plus 1 is 62. Now multiply with that digit so that whatever is coming, that will be lesser than this. So it will be 6 to 6 multiply with 6. It is equal to 63756. So it is equal to 143. Okay, so means your remainder is 143. So this digit is not a perfect square. If this digit would be a perfect square, then your remainder will be 0. Okay, so your remainder is something, it is 143. So you have to subtract this 143 from this greatest number. Okay, 99999, so that your answer will be 99856. So this 5-digit number is now a perfect square, because whatever your remainder was coming, that now you have subtracted. Okay, so now you have to write in this way, greatest 5-digit number is a perfect square. This greatest 5-digit number is a perfect square. So answer is 99856. Okay, so the last question of this exercise is, the area of a square park is given to you in square meter. Find its side. Okay, now write down, first of all, these three questions are a kind of word problem. So please, you have to write these in the form of statements. So area of square park is equal to 64516 meters square. This is given to you. So let side of a square park is equal to A. Okay, suppose your side is A. So as we know that area of square is A square, you know that A square means side square. Whatever side is given to you, the area will be equal to side multiplied by side. So A square is equal to 6 for 5 and 6, whatever is given to you. So A is equal to, it will become a square root now. Now take out the answer. Take out your square root with the long division method, do pairing and go with the long division method. Okay, we have discussed this long division method in throughout the exercise. So 2 2s are 4, 2 is left, take out 2 digits together. Now 2 plus 2 4, multiply with 5, 45 multiply 5 is it is equal to 2 to 5. Okay, you have to see that whatever number you're writing here, that same number you have to write here, and that multiplication should be lesser than this number. Okay, now after writing this, after doing subtraction, 20 is the remainder. Now take 2 digits together. Now this 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. Now 50 multiply by which number, so that it will be equal to 2016. So 504, you write here 4. Now you will multiply 504 with 4, answer will be 2016. Now there's no remainder is left. Okay, so your answer is this 254. So the side of square park is 254 meter. Okay, so this was your last question. These 3 questions are based upon the word problem, and these are very simple questions. Okay, I've discussed with you now, and if you are having any query, any doubt in any step, please go through with the video again and again, twice, thrice. Okay, unless your doubt will be clear. Okay, and one more thing, whatever questions we are doing here, okay, first of all, do practice in the practice notebook. Okay, solve all the parts in the practice notebook and then go for the fair work. Then note down all the question in the fair notebook. Okay, so these 3 questions we have covered earlier, and now these 3 questions are based upon the word problems. This we have discussed right now. Okay, so your complete exercise is done. Okay, now please do your work carefully in the fair notebook, and the next topic we'll discuss in the next lecture. Okay, take care, bye bye.